multi-retail stores. Again, the hiring managers were placed across locations. For us was always been a worry that are we getting right set of people, and is there a consistency across the system? And everyone has its own parameters and own gauge. They gauge everyone in a different, in their own form. Okay, irrespective, you have their own assessment sheets, guiding tools, which is all available. However, there has always been an innovation, and we've always seen some inconsistency around. Metal has really helped us. One, obviously, you didn't have to meet every individual one-on-one, face-to-face interview. Their assessment was itself was the first step of the interview process, and so it actually filtered out all the people who were not as per our requirement and the benchmark which we set for us. And it also helped us with the required very detailed feedback with each and every individual. So it definitely, irrespective where the candidate is there, it helped us in coordinating and allow the candidate to take their assessment basis on their own convenience. Okay, so for the candidate who was applying for us, okay, they didn't have to take a leave or take a couple of holidays to appear for an interview or an assessment. This was all managed through virtually, and they were able to do it on their own convenience. So that, from a candidate experience perspective, that went really well. In terms of efficiency, we had a very consistent feedback, and we had a very timely feedback which was available after the assessment. So through which we can also share into every stakeholder and the interview panelist, and which was used very efficiently. And we knew that what kind of questions which we had to ask. So it was a lot of time saving, a lot of conscious interview which was done through the after the assessment. As a part of a leadership team, it has obviously given us a lot of assurance in terms of that we are not letting anyone who is below the benchmark. Okay, so that is consistency from an assessment perspective, which has really helped. So today, no hiring has been done today without the metal assessment. Okay, and that as a benchmark itself is a great assurance and a big check in the entire hiring process which we have. We've seen a huge shift within the after the assessment process started. Off lately, we've seen that there is a customer metrics has really improved. We've seen a huge impact on our retention. Okay, where our attrition was very high at a store management level, today our attrition at a store management level has been the lowest ever in the history of 24/7 retail. And proudly, we can also say that we are also among the lowest attrition in the entire retail industry, and with the highest NPS from our employee satisfaction. And that's a huge achievement. I consider that as a huge achievement, and Metal has been a great partner in helping us in setting up that piece. So from an attrition perspective, where store management, we were actually hovering between 55 to 50. Okay, today we are proudly around 20% average of a store management attrition. Store attrition, which was also hovering around 35 to 40%. Today we are actually hovering at 18%.